Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to depot MAC eyeshadows. First, gather your essential tools. A thin, flat tool like a palette knife or a small screwdriver, and a gentle heat source such as a flat iron or a candle. Always protect your workspace with a heat-resistant mat or towel to prevent any damage. Good lighting is also crucial to clearly see the eyeshadow pan. Next, we'll apply gentle heat to the back of the eyeshadow pan. This step is vital for softening the adhesive that holds the pan in place. You can use a flat iron, holding the pan against it for about 10 to 15 seconds, or carefully pass the back of the pan over a candle flame for a similar duration. Be sure to apply heat evenly. Once the adhesive is softened, it's time to remove the pan. Carefully insert your thin, flat tool into the small gap located on the side of the eyeshadow pan. Apply gentle, steady, and consistent pressure to pry the pan upwards. It should lift out with relative ease. Remember, avoid using excessive force to prevent any damage to your eyeshadow. Finally, prepare your depotted eyeshadow for storage. You might want to clean any residual adhesive from the back of the pan. For magnetic palettes, simply attach a small magnet to the back of each pan. This allows you to organize your shadows efficiently in a custom palette, saving space and making your collection more accessible and travel-friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.